Hello, all of my followers. It's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Thanks for joining me today. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Today I am doing a watch me work video with the BEmi Beauty Box Meadow Leaf Soak Off Gel Polishes. I've already done a manicure on my client's nails, which includes trimming, filing and shaping, and cuticle work. And then I applied the Ugly Duckling base top combo to her nails. And now I've gone in with the gels. I will link everything down below in the description of the products I used for her service. You can see as I am applying these gels that they are so pigmented. I probably could have gotten away with just one coat of this polish on my client's nails, but I think for me it's force of habit to do 2 thin layers, because since the beginning of my career, which is just about 10 years, or maybe it is actually 10 years now, I have been using the C&D Shellac powder polish, which you always do 2 coats on unless you're doing a French. But nonetheless, this BEmi manicure turned out amazing. And then we had a smash up, showing you guys that I am most definitely not perfect when it comes to holding my client's hand in the right spot. But I just went and did some very quick touch-ups and sent her to cure in my LED lamp. And onto my client's left hand. Normally I polish from pinky to thumb on both hands, but because we were applying the colors in a certain order of blue, green, purple, I just kept going from pinky to thumb and then thumb to pinky. That way I got the order of the colors correct. I then finished her manicure with the Ugly Duckling base and top combo and moisturized her fingers and nails with C&D solar oil. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for sticking around today and watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye!